Hey, good evening, everyone. Yeah, it's been a while. Yeah, I know, I know, right? It's been a while since I made a video. Yeah, I've been busy. Yeah, I've been I've been a whole lot of busy. Yeah, up and down and stuff. Yeah, that is why. And then I decided to go off social media for some time. Yeah, I need to have my private space and stuff. Yeah, I need to have my own personal private moment. Yeah, so it's been a while. Yeah, as I said it earlier in my previous video. Yeah, so um there is this yeah, let's get back to business. Yeah. There is this update that I received from a colleague of mine. So I was there, and then he called me and he said that he wanted to apply to join the army. And I told him, you've been in the UK, you've not been in the UK for 5 years, so unfortunately that's the procedure. It's not going to work out. But he said he wants to give it a try. So he did it, and then it came as not eligible as he will come, but he didn't give up, of which I really appreciated. I always tell people not to give up. So he did not give up, and then he Ofreo, yeah, he called them. He called the army, and then he told them everything that he told them that he's been in the UK for 3 years now, or apply and automatically now reject it. And then God being so good, they reactivated his account, and they gave him some task to fill out, and then he did. Obviously, he did it. He did the forms, and then he completed the forms and everything, and he was there. I think I was there a couple of hours ago. He sent me a message that they sent him this online medical questionnaire. That's the OMQ for him to fill out. He sent everything. He did it, and then he later got a message again that he should upload his right of residency in the UK, and then his passport and all those things. Yeah, so he did that, and then God being so good, lucky for him, he went through. Yeah, so if you've been in the UK for 3 years and you really have the passion to to join, to serve, then just give it a try. Yeah, but it has to be someone who has been in the UK for 3 years or more, who's got the legal right to be in the UK. Not like say, or the visitor's visa. You came with visitor's visa, and then the visa has expired, or you've got 10 years visitor's visa, of which sometimes they give that to people who have been here constantly. Yeah, they go and then they come, they visit this country and then they live. And yeah, if you've got all those, any visa that does not give you the right to work, or the right of residency in the UK, you can't use that one. Yeah, so your visa has to stay there. You've got the right to work in the UK though. And then you've been in the UK for 3 years or more, you can apply to join either the army or the Air Force. For the Air Force, it's been there for ages. Yeah, if you've been in the UK for 3 years, you can apply to join the Air Force. Yeah, they've got limited rules for that, but you can try it. And then for the army too, you can give it a try. Yeah, that is what the guy, according to my colleague, I think we all went to the same primary school. Yeah, and then he did it, and then it went through. Yeah, so I wish him all the best of luck, and I will be making sure I go through with him during his application process. Yeah. So if you've been in the UK for 3 years or more, you can give it a try, and then let's see. Yeah. So right now I'm back. I'll try my best to make videos try and see if I can make videos every time I'm less busy. Yeah. So guys, catch you later. I have somewhere to go. So I'll see you guys in my next video. And please, thank you so much for the continuous subscription, and then following me as well on TikTok, and then following me on TikTok, and then subscribing to my YouTube channel as well. The YouTube channel will be active. Nowadays. Yeah, I'll keep on posting, not about British Army, not all about British Army, or all about the Ministry of the HM Forces, Commonwealth recruitment, but it's gonna be mixed. Yeah, so guys, yeah, watch out. Yeah, so I wish you all the best of luck. Those who have received message from the army that they should send a message, they should reply to this message I wish you all the best of luck, and I hope to see you guys in the army sometime. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, cheerio. Bye.